Friends, hello! In this video I will help you understand why, how and how often you need to remove leaves from tomatoes. First of all, we remove leaves only from indeterminate tall tomatoes because they constantly grow upwards and form new leaves, unlike determinate short tomatoes which are generally often grown in open soil. We do not remove leaves from them because new ones will not grow. And the leaves participate in photosynthesis, helping the plant absorb nutrients. If there are too few leaves on the tomatoes will not grow large and the plant may start dropping its blossoms and flowers. Now, how often and until when do you need to cut leaves on tomatoes? We remove the first leaves on tomato seedlings 2-3 weeks after transplanting the seedlings into open soil. And if the tomato plant grows vigorously, we can remove 2 leaves per week. If the seedlings grow slowly, we remove 1 leaf per week. And often it's the lower leaves from the seedlings, old, not participating in photosynthesis as well, and draw more sap to themselves. I have already cut off a lot of leaves. The plant is growing quite vigorously, so I am removing 2 more leaves. And here I will tell you about a very important rule. When you remove only the leaves up to the first cluster, you then need to stop and not remove any leaves above the first cluster until, firstly, all the tomatoes have set in it. As you can see, I still have a few flowers. Also, you should not cut leaves above this cluster because right now these leaves are feeding our cluster. If you continue to cut the leaves that are higher up, the tomatoes will not grow to their varietal size and will not be as sweet, delicious and flavorful as they can be if you do not remove the leaves above the cluster and healthy. And when the tomatoes start to ripen and turn brown, you will see that the leaves growing near the cluster or slightly above it are also old and can be removed. By removing the lower leaves, we first improve the ventilation of the lower part of the tomatoes, preventing the leaves from touching the soil, thereby preventing diseases in our tomatoes. Additionally, we redirect nutrients to the clusters and the top. In general, it will typically start growing more rapidly and producing new young leaves, which work better and more quickly for the plant than the lower old leaves. So friends, make sure to perform this operation correctly, as I have explained and shown you, and don't forget to remove suckers from the tomatoes. And I will explain this in detail in the next video, so subscribe to my channel and don't miss the release of new videos. I wish you a great day and peaceful skies above.